Play City family, what is up? It is Dessi, Rose, and Bobby back out shopping. Today we're at Costco, right? It is literally Monday, the day after the weekend of the crazy grocery shopping. Yesterday, we released a video for the Walmart and the Trader Joe's, and we're like, you know what? It's such a crazy time. We have to go to my happy place, Costco, and go check what they have here, because I heard the lines to get in here are crazy, which actually wasn't too bad at this one, but I hear they're low on toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning wipes, all the hand sanitizer. So we gotta see what they have in stock, because Bobby, Daddy needs some, right? So let's walk around. Let's also show some maybe healthy, immune system boosting foods they have here at Costco that can keep you healthy during the virus. But before we do that, like, subscribe, share, you guys. We love making these videos for you, and the only way this channel grows is by you subscribing. Better yet, there's a bell icon right below the video. Enable all notifications, because we have so much content going live every week, including the live stream on Friday where Rose and I make a recipe from start to finish. You don't want to miss out. All right, let's go shopping and see what they have and what they don't have. Oh, they're putting paper towels up. Babe, film it, babe. Come over here. Come over here. But, oh my God, before the video starts, this is the most exciting part of the day. They just put out some paper towels. Oh my God. It's like a pack of walkers going for fresh meat over here. Thank you. All right. The guy said they were completely out of paper towels. It's all about being in the right place at the right time. We got that. And they had the few Kirkland facial tissues. But look, they have no toilet paper, which I actually needed really bad, more so than this. But they do have a lot of water here, because they have a limit. It says limit 2. Let's see the best water options here really quick. Oh, look how quick the paper towels are going. That's crazy. All right, we actually have a whole video about water. I mean, water's water for the most part, but if I had a choice, and it looks like I do here at Costco, I'd get this. I'd get the Kirkland alkaline water. We actually have a system that's under sink at home. It's not only alkaline, it's reverse osmosis. I really believe in drinking pH balanced water. So if you have your choice, I'd get this. Or if you want sparkling water, the Pellegrino in the glass bottles is always preferable. Not a huge fan of plastic, but we're talking about kind of a prep situation here. And then come down here. Costco has the best deal on the only carbonated flavored drink I ever drink, and it's actually Spindrift right here. Most drinks like LaCroix and bubbly always have natural flavors. These guys do it right, because instead of adding natural flavors, they use Mother Nature's natural flavors. So real lemon juice, and then this is where it gets exciting here. Look at this one. Raspberry puree and raspberry juice. And the price here is amazing. Show this, babe. This is 30 cans for $15. That's 50 cents a can. It's an amazing deal. All right, Rose, let's take a right down this aisle right here. Try to find some hand sanitizer. I've fresh out. All right, we just searched both of the cleaning aisles. I didn't see any hand sanitizer, baby, did you?
No.
What about some disinfecting wipes? No. All right, so that's a no-go. I kind of expected that. It's so funny, no one's buying this stuff right now, the organic, kind of like natural stuff. They're all stocking up on like the industrial Clorox bleach and stuff like that. So don't have that right now. Let's move on to something else. Look at that, I've never seen the inventory here so low. This is always piled high to the sky, and now it's barren. I also want to talk about in this video foods that boost your immune system and are anti-inflammatory. And you might be stocking up on pancake mixes. This pancake mix here, I've talked about it before, is fantastic because it's not just low carb, but it's made from almond flour and tiger nut flour, which tiger nuts are the highest fat, lowest carb nut in the world. So this is not only low carb, but it's anti-inflammatory and won't weaken your immune system. When you eat an anti-inflammatory food like gluten, your white blood cells are compromised for about an hour afterwards, and when you want to stay healthy and avoid getting sick, especially now, you want to eat foods that boost your immune system, and the same is true for oils. So the two oils that boost your immune system the most are going to be virgin coconut oil. You want to make sure it's virgin, and the price here at Costco is amazing. I mean, look at this. This is a 84-ounce jar for $13.99. Remember, we were at Walmart yesterday. Dessi was asking if it was the same price as here. This price is so much better. This is actually not only a heart-healthy oil. Yes, this is a healthy saturated fat. It's good for your immune system. It's anti-inflammatory, and it's rich in lauric acid. So cook with coconut oil when you really want to boost your immune system, and cook with avocado oil. The price here, once again, is amazing. It's a 2-liter bottle for $18.99, right? It doesn't matter what brand it is. They're all going to be good here because they're expeller pressed. Stay away from your traditional canola oils, which I actually don't see too many. Yeah, they're sold out of canola, corn. The only thing they have here is the horrible inflammatory soybean oil. All the other cruddy ones are sold out. So that's what we noticed at Walmart yesterday, that a lot of the healthy stuff is in stock, and a lot of the budget stuff that really isn't good for you, especially now, is out of stock. So, all right, let's move on. Here's the honey, actually. While you want to avoid refined white sugar, because that actually suppresses your immune system, I normally get this kind of honey. It's locally sourced raw honey, meaning it's never heated, and you want to know that your honey comes locally, otherwise it can be imported from other countries. The thing is, for an extra immune system booster, this is the one I would get right now. This is wild manuka raw honey from New Zealand. This is literally half the price of most places. And the bees feed on the manuka plant, which has amazing health properties like anti-inflammatory and immune system boosting properties. So in a time like this, when you're looking to boost your immune system, right, Rose? This is what you want to get.
Not for babies.
Not for babies, right. Not for babies, but for daddy and mommies, yes. Going in the cart. Let's move on. All right, hold on. I got a detour. Certainly not part of like a prepping situation, but I've never seen keto ice cream bars at Costco. This is a first. Amazing, right? So look at the ingredients here on the bottom. So I like the fact they're using whole milk. It's not organic, but it's hard to find that in a ice cream popsicle. Natural flavors, yeah, that's pretty par for the course for a flavored ice cream like this. But the rest of the ingredients, the sweeteners, erythritol, I'm assuming it's non-GMO. Sunflower lecithin I'm okay with. And then see, look, they sweeten it with stevia and monk fruit. We literally have 11 total carbs minus fiber is 9, sugar alcohols of 7, so there's 2 net carbs in here. Listen, I'm not a fan of natural flavors, but when you either have natural flavors or very high sugar in a traditional like drumstick, I used to crush these when I was a kid. I'd rather you have natural flavors than all that nasty refined sugar. So I'm not going to get it today, but it's very cool. You know, things are getting popular if they're carrying something like that at Costco. It's 12 for $12, a buck. That's amazing. Let's move on. All right, another immune system boosting food alert. Whenever you get berries, you always want to get organic. But these are the big fat cultivated blueberries, whereas I haven't seen this in a while. Look at this. These are wild Maine blueberries, and these are much, much smaller, but in my opinion, much tastier, and it says it right on the package, twice the antioxidants of cultivated blueberries. So these are a little more expensive, 4 pounds for $8.89 versus 3 pounds. Actually, it's cheaper. Look at that, the wild blueberries are cheaper. Are you kidding me? That's the biggest price arbitrage ever. I would scoop these all day. You know what? We have the chest freezer that I bought from Costco last month too. That's loaded with so much grass-fed beef now. Let's throw this in there too. Wow. Winning. Love it. I feel like I literally talk about this naturally fermented sauerkraut every time I come to Costco, but especially now when we're talking about Corona and immune system boosting. This is the best deal ever, and it's so important because when you have a natural fermentation on cabbage, that means there's going to be a lack of vinegar, and it's just a natural fermentation, which takes more time. It's usually more expensive, but this price here for $8 for 50 ounce is half the price of the stuff at the grocery store, normally like the Bubby stuff. This is a gut booster, immune booster. You can't cook it. You have to eat it raw. Maybe put some good salad dressing on there, but this stuff is a must. And then look in the cooler over there. I just want to pop in there 1 second. It's very, very empty, but there is 1 bag of organic super greens. I would get that because all those greens are really loaded with antioxidants and stuff your body needs to stay strong. So all of the chicken at Costco is officially sold out, except the rotisserie chickens, but all of the packaged chicken is frozen. But come over here, because the beef is really dwindled too. They have none of the organic packs of fresh ground beef. All they have left is steaks. Unfortunately, they're corn-fed, GMO-fed meat, so I wouldn't get that because we talk about inflammatory foods, and in my opinion, cows that eat a diet that has corn and soy is the wrong kind of fat. So what I would do, well, first let me show you this. Something, if you buy your steaks at Costco, something that we discovered a few months ago, they always blade tenderize them, even prime steaks. So when you do that, you kind of introduce bacteria into the meat because a bunch of needles go in there. So they do tell you to cook it to 160 degrees. So just keep that in mind for beef here. But I want pasture-raised, grass-fed beef or fat because that is a healthier fat that is not inflammatory and better for you. So look, we have rack of lamb, 100% grass-fed Australian. All right, Dessi was afraid of the Waldo, but I'm saying these are 100% grass-fed Australian rack of lamb, and these are 100% grass-fed Australian lamb loin chops. This is going to be a healthier pasture-raised fat that's non-inflammatory and better for your immune system versus grain-fed beef. This is what I was looking for. So that might be out of chicken, but I don't care because I'd rather have this. This is the organic turkey deli slices here. First of all, the price is half of what most grocery stores are. It's $8 a pound. And it's organic, meaning they have a non-GMO feed. And you look at the ingredients, there's no phosphates, no carrageenan, it's just that. And unless you open it, it will last until June. So I don't know how to vacuum seal fresh meat like that, but it's a great, great deal. So scoop that one for sure. Rose is crying, so we should probably get out of here, right? Yeah, are you giddy? I'm giddy. The haul's done, and we have a basket full of goodies I wasn't expecting, like those big rolls of paper towels. That was like Christmas morning when they came out with that. We didn't get the toilet paper, but what are you going to do? Hey, overall, they do have a lot of stuff here at the warehouse, and more importantly, a lot of it is healthy and geared towards immune system boosting foods, which I think you really want to focus on now. Don't trade down just because you're hoarding or prepping. Still try to buy the good stuff that is good for you and good for your immune system. So Rose, Desi's making some really funny faces to make Rose happy because she needs a nap on the way home. Like, subscribe, share, all those good things. We got 2 more videos going below us right now. But Rose, Daddy, and Mommy will see you very, very soon. Until then, we leave you like we always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Let's go home and get a nap.